Okay, let's proceed. So the next thing we'll look at is um, data validation. How to validate data. Now, data validation will help you to avoid typographical errors in the sense that you will specify the data you want in a particular column, and any other data you try to impute in that column will not be accepted. So this helps you minimize typos and spelling errors in your work. Now let's look at an instance of that. Data validation. Now just follow through. So I'll go back to that same column D. This column D, right? This column D to the end. Okay. Now I'm going to select column D. Okay. Then I am going to go to data over here, data tab, home, insert, page layout, formulas, data. This is the data tab. So I will select the data tab and go over to data validation. Right? Now I'll click on data validation and I'll tell Excel I want a list, a drop down list. So I'll open up this place and select list. Okay, now Excel is going to ask me the source of my list, right? The source of my list. Now already I know the items in that column D. If you look closely, you see that we have not there. We have not there, not, comma. What else do we have there? We have east, comma. What else do we have there? We have west, comma. What else do we have there? We have south, right? And then we have unknown. Yes, we have unknown. Remember, we coded that blank cell to unknown. So I'm going to add unknown. And finally, we have something like Asgard there. We have Asgard. So I'm going to add Asgard. Asgard. Okay. So when I'm done with that, I'll just click OK. Now, if you come over here, okay, this is the Asgard I was telling you about. So if you come over here now, you will see that each of these cells now has an arrow attached to it. So this forces me to, or it restricts me to the contents here. Now, if I try to enter any other thing that is not here, that particular cell will not accept whatever I'm trying to put in there. For instance, let me try and type WAST here. Error. The value entered is not valid. A user has repeated values that can be entered into this cell. So you now see the advantage of data validation. I've validated all the data in this column so that whenever you click on one, you'll be forced to select. This will help you minimize spelling errors and typographical mistakes in your work.